Hi, it's Brenda, and I'm finally getting this long-promised video done and put together. I've been excited to do it, but I kept hoping I would get more pictures. But this is good. Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you? Thank you very much, Dolores, who's proud to wear her My New Me t-shirt. She said it's very comfy and she loves it. And I love the smile on the face. And of course, it's never complete without a yay, right? Thank you, Dolores, very much. And here's a picture from Miss MJ from Sweden, who said that the cups have the best place in the house. So thank you very much for that. I love how she did the black and white together. Henrita ordered an Addie t-shirt. However, 11-year-old Cosmo has decided that it is his. So she hasn't had a chance to wear it yet. But Cosmo looks very comfy on his Addie t-shirt. I hope he enjoys it, and I hope she eventually gets a chance to enjoy it. And what's a day at work without a Take Care and Toodles mug, right? Jelena said she loves her mug, and she's even received a few compliments from customers on it, especially the Toodles part. Thank you, Jelena, for the purchase and the picture. And the Cornish maid has her My New Me sticker proudly displayed on her dresser. I really like that little teapot and teacup. They're very cute, aren't they? Thank you very much. Michelin is wearing her My New Me t-shirt, getting ready to tackle her kitchen, she says. I don't remember smiling that nicely when I was tackling my kitchen, but I love the picture. Thank you. And then here's Slinky. Poor Jennifer Ann from Ireland was trying to place an order when she was interrupted by little Slinky pretending to be asleep. I guess she wanted to place her own order. But Jennifer did finally decide to get some cups. She said she's going to start her own Brenda cup collection. So thank you for the funny picture, Jennifer. But those are the only pictures I've received so far. I want to thank everyone very, very much for sending in the pictures, and a huge thank you to everyone who has made purchases. It really has been a huge help to me, and I really get a little thrill every time I see there was an order placed. You people are just, I know I keep saying it, but it keeps getting more and more true. You people are awesome. So if anyone else is interested in sending a picture, if you would like to send it to my email, goodenough.mynewme@gmail.com. I'd love to do another video when I get more pictures. If you could get the cat out of my face while I'm trying to talk, that would help a lot. I know, it'll never happen. But if you're interested in making your own purchase of a t-shirt, mug, or sticker, I will link the store in the description box below. I'll also put the link on the screen right about now, if Addie will allow me to. And I will put the email in the description box below. So again, thank you very, very much for your purchases, for your pictures, for watching, for the comments, just for being you. And we have to end a video with some attitude. Or maybe some Brenda and Josh-tude.
Thanks for ordering and thanks for watching.
Take care and toodles. He's got his attitude shirt on with his attitude in his hands.
She's being so calm right now.
She is. What you doing?
She's being held like this? Is that what's going on?
She doesn't understand. Oh, she goes, my peoples are watching me. My peoples love me. You love your peoples?
Just having a ball. Aww.
It looks so awkward though.
I know. Is that your comfy spot?
Is it comfy? It really looks quite awkward. Well, you're stuck there. You can't leave now.
Apparently. Jeez. Where are we going?
She's comfy too. She's not leaving. But they left the camera. Oh well. Take care and toodles.